All right, man. Hey, let's try these new wheels on, G. Let's go. I said, hey, yo. This your boy Tulu, man. Back with another video, man. How y'all doing today? How y'all doing? Let me hear it. Hey, that's what's up, man. Keep growing, keep grinding, man. You already know, like I say, you know what I'm saying? If everything ain't going right for you right now, though, if everything ain't all cupcakes and rainbows, just know, wait 5, 10, 15 minutes, tomorrow, you could definitely be in a better situation. So, hey, man, chin up, keep trucking, man. Woo, your boy is a little wore out, man. I done been busy today doing a lot. Then I had to rinse off this doggone monstrosity. Promise you, man, this joker take it out of me every time I try to wash it. But yeah, y'all see we got old Gussie up front today, and we just gonna go ahead and get right in it, man. We're gonna try to make it short and sweet. We're gonna go ahead and try to install these wheels on them, man. Hopefully everything work out. Simple video, we just swapping out some tires, man. All right, man, hold on, let's get a last little walk around of them with the SKD specials on. I went and got me some new lug nuts. They only had 8. She definitely need a bath. But yeah, man, she been riding like this for a while with them old rusted up tires on her. Definitely need to give her a bath too later on. All right, man. Well, there she blows. All right, let me go grab this doggone jack. I'm gonna have to use at least about probably 2 of these because they only gave me 8. So at least probably like 2 of these on there just for the time being. All right, man, let's go get the jack. Whee! Hey! What y'all think, man? What y'all think, G? Whew. Now I know we gotta put the caps on, but before I put these on though, oh man, that's gonna look good, bro. But before I put these on, I'm gonna go grab my 4-way and I'm gonna tighten down on these. You know what I'm saying, just to make sure. But man, hey, don't she look different? Ooh, wee, man. Oh man, so first off, I'm about to go pick my little girl up. Oh man, let me see it. Let me see, Bill. What you talking about that? Oh man, she look crazy, man. All right, y'all. So let me go pick up my little girl from school first, and then we're gonna pull her up here, get her washed off, and then I still got some of that Never Dull in there that I'm gonna use on. As y'all seen, a few of those caps had something like those little spots on them and stuff, like where it's starting to pit a little bit. I mean, well, it's not pit, it's just, but yeah, I'm gonna clean those off as well. All right, man, hit y'all when I get back. Matter of fact, hold up. We got excited the last time, man. Man, them damn lawnmowers. I hope y'all can hear me. But let's see if she gonna move forward and backwards for me real quick. We good. All right, man, let me go pick up my little girl, man. Yeah, hey, let's go. All right, y'all, we done made it back. So what we about to do here, I went and got the Never Dull, because y'all know we still had a full can in there. I ain't gonna use the mothers if I don't have to, but I think that Never Dull should just knock this stuff right here off of there. So let me set y'all up. Let's clean that off. Go ahead and get this done for the day. All right, y'all, so we hit these with that Never Dull. They look pretty good, man. Now these two, I might have to put some of that Mothers on them and use that buffing wheel and hit those with, but it'll probably definitely be better if I had it on a rougher surface. Maybe if I put them on the car and then put that wheel on it, I'll be able to get it better. This one right here as well had just a little bit more, but hey man, that Never Dull did its job though. I guess this one just must have got a little bit moisture on it than all the other ones did. Well, besides that, so we ain't gonna take up too much of y'all time. We're gonna go here, move the car up, and go ahead and wash her, man. I ain't gonna make y'all sit here and watch me wash her, but y'all can stay here and let me pull her up though real quick if y'all want to. go ahead and wash her off, and then I'll bring y'all back when I put the caps on, man. We might try to take it down the road just to see how them wheels feel on her, man. Definitely, for real. Oh yeah, I did want to show y'all that too, because I know y'all probably see it, but we definitely need to get it lined and balanced and everything. That damn driver's side tire is like sticking. So yeah, we definitely gonna get to that, man. Let's get it. All right, man. I backed her out in the last little sunlight we got left. Shade up there. I just wanted to give y'all a good look at her. Ooh, wee. Hey, she look good, bro. Oh my goodness. And here we go. Ooh. How she looking, y'all? How she looking? Hey. Yeah, y'all see that up front. I'll tell you about that in a second. Ooh. Man. We just wanna ride, y'all. Man. Alright, so as y'all see, we ain't got the front caps on, man, because of these doggone spindles. I don't know why I put those style on anyway, man, but that's neither here nor there. We ain't gonna worry about that. Hey, it definitely looks better than what it looked like for real, for real. Let's see if we can hit that build on the budget. Oh, it definitely would have been fire if she had the front caps on though. But hey, y'all see what we doing, man. Y'all see where we at with her, bro. Oh my goodness. Just sitting here looking at it, man, like for real. It's like she has definitely came a long way. And that's stupid as crap. Every time I done took these tires off so many times, I never thought to put the doggone screw in here to hold this down. So I'll probably just try to turn them in when I get it back there in the back, and then throw the screws up in there so we can get that trim set in there. But man, hey, drop down, man. What y'all thinking about it, boy? Them joints definitely look good on it, for real. Good griefy. And she cleaned up better than expected. Definitely got a, oh man, you can see the clouds. She definitely cleaned up. Need to stop playing and put my car cover on them. But like I said, man, this was just gonna be a quick video, bro. I appreciate y'all for tapping in, man. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn your notification bell on to all, so you'll be able to get the drop whenever I drop a video, go live or a short, man. I appreciate each and every single one of y'all, like for real, for all your motivation and your support. Man, y'all keep doing what y'all doing. Y'all keep me motivated. Salute. I'm probably try to get y'all a little riding footage with it, you know what I'm saying? Maybe I might pull out, let the old lady record me real quick just so we can get some driving footage with her. But until next time, man, thank y'all. Salute.
Tell us about that drive.
Hey, it feels good on the road. It feels way better than them other tires. But we got a problem, it's scrubbing. And I think that's because these tires are wider than them other ones. Or at least I thought it was scrubbing.
I didn't hear no
I don't know,
scrubbing.
maybe I must have been just tripping. Or I don't see where it rubbed on. I thought I heard it scrub. But other than that, hey, it rolled a whole lot better, for real, for real. Hey, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all, man.